to Alpha. We are now going to be trading some live here at Pocket Option. Let me just check that everything is in order for this live session. Let me have a look. We are live. Okay. Then I will start this live session. Let's see if we can find ourselves some good pairs. I've been using the binary option robot a little before today, so you can see the trades that was taken here. So that was pretty nice. So you can see that he lost 3 in a row, and then he did cash in. So that one is using Monica Martingale. But yeah, we are making profit with the binary option robot also. Now let's just remove all this and just take the pairs that give us the most. That is not OTC, of course. We can take this one. Let's see. We add all the way to, let's take like 85 as a limit. This is 84. Okay, let's take it for also. So then we have a few pairs we can trade. Then let's see if we can find some trading areas. We find one right away here. Let's take a horizontal line here. Don't mind the colors. I don't bother to change the colors, okay? So I'll say entry there between these 2 lines here. So if we come down to this region there, we are going to go in with a higher, with a 1 minute close, okay? Is it possible to take 30 seconds? No. No. 1 is the smallest, okay. If I take this to... I'm just checking a few things now. It would be nice if we could take 30 seconds, something like that. No. Then we do like this, 1 minute. Cool. So yeah, we are going in here. While we wait for that one, let's take a look here. I do like this area down there, so we're going to mark that. Let's make 2 lines. So in between there and there, that's the area I would like to take a trade. Let's take the next. Can't say. Okay, this looks nice enough. Let's mark it around there to about there. That's the area we can take a trade. Let me see if someone is tuning in. For now, no one is joining. That is completely fine. We will at least get in a trade or two. So, if you want to join a live session just like this one, you find a link below the video to sign up. Now let's see. The reason we like this area is because you can see that in the past this was good. The past does not mean the future will be the same good, but it gives us an indication at least. So I'm now ready to go in. I'm not taking it there. It was close, but not good enough for me. I would like to get a little better entry than that. Typically I like to be in the middle area. So let's see if we can get to the middle. If not, I don't need to take the trade. Let's see now. I want better than this. Like I said, my entry is in the middle between these 2 lines. There, perfect. Got a good entry. First trade taken. let's while you wait for that one, we will see if we can get a trade on the another too. Far away here, but we are not that far away from this one. So here also is the same rule. I'm looking for a trade in more or less in the middle area. So let's see. So it's Monday. I like to get a good start, so let's hope we can win this trade here. I like to get a good start of the week. We trade live basically every Monday, just so you know. So the rest of the week you're supposed to be training with what I'm teaching you, so you can trade live yourself. Okay. So let's see here now. Looks like we're getting a win here now on the first trade of the day. And then we can go back to this one and trade more. Let's go here. We won it. Sweet. So that means we got $81. Let's bring up the good old calculator. 81 plus. Now let's see. Let's zoom in here now. Once again, we are looking for a trade from the middle area. We might have a trend here, so I will mark the trend. I do not like the trend line system we have for this broker. It's a little difficult to mark, but let's work with what we have. Something like, it might be something like this. Let's follow at least to see if it's the case. We were close, I think it was this one. Now it go up, okay. Yeah, so then let's just wait. One trade, one winner, and we are doing good. Let me see. Now looks like he's going to go up and test, so while he's doing that, let's see if we can find something else to trade. On this pair, do you know what? I can't see nothing, so let's move on. Here we have a strong trend going downwards, so no thanks. Here we have a strong trend going downwards, so no thanks. So there's basically just the three first here that is possible. Here we basically just need to get an entry in the middle area here. That would be nice. Little far away right now. Here the same deal. I can't see anything in the top here on the trade. And here, okay. So then it's just a little waiting game we need to do. Nothing we can do for now. Just wait for a trade for one of these three. Seems like no one is joining into this live session, so then I will cut it a little short. See if I maybe get in one more trade. Looks like this one will be the closest. Let's just cheese up this, and let's do like this. Let's put up something like this. Let's see if we can zoom out. Is that possible? Let's see. Zoom out some more. I'm not sure why. Okay, it looks like we need to mark them again. That is completely fine. We can do that. Between there and there. Let's zoom out this one. Let's mark it. 2 lines. Let's take it from there to about zoom in. Little slow on the trigger there. Let's see if we're going down again. I was way too slow. So now we can follow all three. Save us a little time. and we can very sad that not get this trade there. It was way too slow. Might get one chance here now. Now we can follow all three. We don't lose any trading opportunities. Ready to take an entry there. Oh, was not the meaning to take a $200 trade, but we take one more there. Let's change for 100. And let's change for 100. Now let's see. We are ready here. We might get a trade. Okay, take one there. That should not have taken it. Was a little bit go a little too low. Let's see. And this we change for 1 minute, and this we change for 1 minute. There. Then I'm going to get myself some water, and we can wait and see how this turns out. Now let's see. Looks like at least we're getting the two with 200 to be winners. Let's bring up the good old calculator. That will be 162 two times. Yes, we won both of this. Plus 162 plus 162. Sweet. Let's see if we can win this one also. Looks like this will be a loser. That will be minus 100. Let's see. Yes. Minus 100. So you can see the trades taken here now. These 3 trades, 4 trades is taken today. The rest below is done with the robot. Now we might get a trade up here. Let's see. Do you know what? I think I see a trend down. Let's mark it and have a look. Let's take a trend line. Let's mark something like this. Might break it now. Let's see. Let me see if there's someone live here now. Don't looks like it. Okay. As no one is joining us, I think we cut this short. We've been live for 14 minutes. We made a profit of $305. I will say that is good in my book. So once again, if you want to join something like this and make money together with me, use the link that you find below the video and you can sign up and you can join me next Monday and I will teach you how to trade binary option. If someone join me, I typically trade like 1 hour. But as no one did join, I just cut it here now, cut it short. And yeah, I hope you join me next Monday so we can trade together and make some money together.